Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to unblock your, not unblock, but like clear your sink. For example, as you can see here, the water's taking quite some time to actually go through the little basin over here and actually come down under the pipe and go into the sewage. The reason for this is because actually grime and debris has filled up at this little 90-degree or let's say 180-degree bend up here, and it has filled up so that when the water goes through, it needs to actually like go through it and has to go through all of that debris and muck. So in this video we are going to be showing how to unblock the sink and also clear out this little part over here. Right, so now we're actually going to be emptying out everything underneath the basin to make the process easier, so we don't have to get our hands stuck in any of the appliances over here. So let's just quickly remove these little cans, and if I can quickly just get some gloves to protect my hands from any of the dirt which I don't want it to touch. Quickly pop up some little washing up gloves, and yeah, just get the gloves on, and now we're going to be unscrewing. Quick tip guys, just make sure you guys have like a little bucket or jug to make sure that any leak or water that falls through the pipe when it's taken off falls into the bucket and it doesn't fall onto the floor or your cupboard. So yeah, just quick little tip right there. We've got it unplugged. Just be careful that any water doesn't slip out through the back. This is a bit of a long process here. Alright, now I'm pretty sure that it comes off like that, and as you can see, all the disgusting muck comes out. So I'm not going to show you this little gruesome part over here, and we're now going to be cleaning it. As you can see, all this muck, hair, and you know, has come in and stuck here, so all the water comes and gets stuck over here, which takes long for the sink to drop its water. Alright, so right now we got the U-bend into the bathtub, and we got the little dirt trapper from the kitchen sink. I'll go into the bath and put it on top of the bathtub hole to make sure that the big thick part of the dirt doesn't go through the bathtub and clog that system up. So after that we just drain some water through the U-bend and we let that clean out 100% fully, and just tested it, run some water through it to make sure there's no little piece stuck. You can see we have just cleaned out and filtered out all the disgusting little debris inside here, and now just give a quick wash of all the little grime parts here, and now it's ready for us to actually insert it back into the tap. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Yeah, it's good guys. Alright.
Now there's final cut.
Now we've actually just tightened in the piece over here. It's all tightened, the unit's all tightened in. And now I'm just going to check again to see if there's any delay of the water actually going through the little sink. So as you can see, the water's going in very faster than before, as we have cleaned up all the muck that was stuck inside there. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. I hope this video helped some of you guys with your problems with your sink. I mean, this is a very common problem. The grime does build up over time, and eventually you will have to do what we had to do, which was just clear out and filter out all the muck. So yeah, on that note, this is going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and make sure to leave a comment, drop a like, turn on your post notifications, and also subscribe to this new YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and peace out.